Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a DIY, a how to do a Valentine bee for your class if you're a teacher or anything related to that. I'm going to show you how I did this little bee right here with just construction paper, and you printing out the picture of your little one and cutting their faces. And the following, this is how it's gonna look. And then the back, we're writing Happy Valentine's Day and the date, but that's how it looks. Trying to cover her little face. And then I'm going to be laminating them and cutting them to size so they last a little longer. But I'm going to show you how to do it. You obviously need yellow, blue, and black paper. The blue one you can substitute for white if you wanted to. I did get these little stickers that says love. It's a foamy heart and it has a sticky back. And also I had these little heart stickers from leftover Valentine cards. They usually come in a bunch of them. I left it over there, so I don't have it with me. But the thing that you're going to do is trace circles and then cut them out of your yellow paper. I did it once. I only traced one, and then I folded in half and then cut them. And out of your blue paper, you're going to trace a heart. You could trace a heart right in the middle. Do it once or 4 times. I did folded this so you don't have to cut so many at a time if you don't have a stencil or so. I folded in half and then in half again, and then trace the hearts like that. I'm going to show you really quick how I did. You see, I folded in half, then in half again. Then I put the heart here and I trace. Then I did it this way and then that way. And any way that I fit for, so I can cut less of the paper and faster. Then for your black color, you can fold it in half like this and just cut away, because then you're gonna have your stripes of paper right here. Your pictures, I would recommend for you to cut the size of the face as almost as big as your circle. Then you're gonna make a bunch of these. Put 3 stripes in your circles, and I will recommend for you to use glue stick instead of a glue like liquid glue, because it's easier to do it. I'm gonna show you how I stick mine right now. Okay, so we have our circle. We have our 3 stripes, and then we'll have 2 of our hearts, which are our wings, 1 of our little heart, and then we're gonna have a little face, which is going to be, I'm gonna turn around and do it, but I wanted to show you a little trick that I have with the glue stick. I do put it almost all the way down, and then instead of gluing that way, it's easier if I just hold. I'm gonna put this a little higher. If I just have my glue stick, hold it, and then hold it right here, and then pull to the other side and have it like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and stick our first line. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna have the glue stick, hold the paper. I don't do it all the way at the end because I did do them longer than the circle. And then hold my little strip with my finger and then pull. Then stick once again my little stripe here. I'm gonna show you right now, one last time. Put it, hold, and pull the paper. That way the only paper gets the glue and nothing else. With scissors, you can cut the excess out right here. You have your excess, you use the rim, the edge of the circle right at the edge, and then we cut our excess, our extra, and then we have our little body of our little bee. it in a place where we want it. So we want it right there, so I'm gonna just use a little bit of glue here, like that, and then put my little face, like that. I'm trying to cover her face. Then I'm going to see how much I want of my little wings to come out, and then flip it over, and just glue on the little areas right here of my paper. I'll use the same side over here. My paper has like, one of them looks bluer than the other one, so I'm just making sure I'm using both of my sides where my blue is the same shade, all right? And then we have our little bee there now. You see that? And now we're gonna grab one of our glue here, which is not our glue, our little sticker, which is the foamy sticker. I believe these ones are from the Dollar Tree. They could come, or from Walmart. I can't remember. I got them from the classroom. Okay, then if I can, I'm gonna take out the backing and I'm going to put it on the side. I'm not putting it in the middle like this because it looks too perfect. I'm putting it on the side because the heart, your heart, is on the side, right on the left side. So that's how it looks. So far so good. Am I right? Yes. Okay, now we're gonna have the little antennas, and the little antennas from the stripes that I already got, which is the same stripe. This is about, let me show you with this one, almost the same size of the circle. Do you see? Almost the same diameter. I did it on purpose so I can just cut and not have shorty spots like this, like that. So from these stripes, I'm simply put them in, like folding them in half. I'm gonna cut that half, then I'm gonna cut up straight as well, and then we have our little stripes right here. Okay, here are my heart stickers. This is what a whole sheet would look like, but it's the little stickers that you get in your Valentine cards. So the little antennas, we have the little antennas, and then we get these little stickers, which are the antenna heads. You can absolutely cut them in paper, but I didn't want to cut little ones no more. So you put them at the end of your little antenna. I did cut one side a little bit slimmer than the other, or I would say for you to do so. If they don't come out like that, just cut one end of it a little bit shorter than the other, and then use your a little bit of the glue. Again, we're gonna use the side that we're gonna need only. We place it on our glue stick and slide, and then stick it on the side. We use the other side as well. We press and then we pull. Then we got the little antenna again. Then we have our little bee. Look at that. Can you see that? We have our little bee again with the little antennas. And now you need a marker. The marker is to write whatever we want to write on the back, and also to make these little lines on the back, on the little wings, just to create the little dimension thing. I'm gonna turn it over, and then I'm gonna try to write on, you see the shadows of the black thing? I'm gonna try to write there because the marker does go over. Recommend for you to put in the top whatever grade they're in. We do preschool, kindergarten, whatever is the grade that you're doing. And that's how our little bees should look. Very that's how your little Valentine cards of your little kiddos, for the school Valentine cards should look. I thought they were super cute. You can laminate them for more, so they last a little bit longer and the parents keep it for a long time. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today for Valentine's craft for your class. It's a really cute keepsake, especially since it's the first one of their school career. And other than that, that's all that